So for that one, are you doing with the proper funnel or just the random things? How basically you are doing?
We are not doing any funnel.
Exactly. So what you need to do, the main thing for these type of the campaigns are the creatives. So first of all, your creatives need to be perfect in that way. And perfect strategy will also be like utilizing those like the creatives effectively. Always run your campaigns with at least like you can say 3 to 4 at least the different creatives. Those might be either the videos, those might be images. But now you have the option. Sometime basically, again, there might be some glitch or anything because I need to check that before saying anything regarding that one. So sometime there might be glitch, sometime there are some problems. That's why. So again, first of all, for the WhatsApp campaign, even if you will switch to the original ones, you cannot select any detailed target audience. With the only WhatsApp campaigns, you can run those on a broader level without targeting any interest-based targeting. You can change the date or gender, but not the interest-based audience for that. Even you can use Advantage Plus
So,
audience, but
what do you
again,
want
the
to
same problem.
know?
No, basically, first of all, it depends on budget. What is your daily budget? If your budget is low, then normally they turned off the other ones and only run the one that is performing well so far. The second thing for like automatically closing these campaigns, sometimes the ad creatives are not according to their guidelines. Okay, so first of all, here you can see the changes from here. You can see ad status updated from active to inactive and change by you have automatically applied the rules. So you have created some of the rules there. So those rules deactivated these campaigns.
Okay, and how can when we are here, like can you tell me how to turn this rule off? Because like I haven't created it. Maybe like I was, as I mentioned, like I'm learning stuff. So maybe like by mistake I have created while learning while doing some course.
Yes, sure. So here are the automated rules that we need
Okay,
to
it's
go.
under campaign, then adds automated rules. Fine.
Yes. These are the rules that you have created. We need to turn these off from by simply using these options. So like this one, and this one.
Okay.
Okay, so now if you will again activate those ones, so those will not automatically be closed.